Ghana Cedis is giving a lot of country high blood pressure. Recently, the Ghanaian government just placed a ban on any foreign currency in their country, specifically dollar. That there is no going to be anyone using dollar to do any transaction in Ghana. Isn't this a big move? This is a big move here in Ghana. We all know recently Pres.Mahama also did something about the cedis. He increased cedis and decreased dollar. And Donald Trump was all over the place. Even IMF is begging Ghana to reduce the cedis and increase the dollar. But at this point, Pres.Mahama is not backing down. He is saying enough is enough. No more foreign transaction, no more transacting with dollar in Ghana. If you cannot transact with cedis, do not bother coming. Let's watch the video together, guys. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe.
Is the American dollar getting banned in Ghana? It seems that's the way it's going to be, because right now Ghana is saying enough is enough. Enough with the American dollar. Right now you cannot use the American dollar in Ghana. Payment for government projects and contracts, all of them, they are using the Ghana Cedi. No more using the American dollar. Institutions have been warned against pricing using the American dollar. Any person or institution or even company that wants to use the American dollar, well, first of all, they need permission from Ghana Bank. So this is very, very serious. I was wondering, was this the right decision? Well, I looked at the number. As they say, numbers don't lie, and the numbers are saying this: the Ghana Cedi appreciated by 42.6% against the American dollar. So that's right. And also, in fact, they appreciated against the British pound by 30.3%, and not just that, against the euro 25.6%. So yes, that was the right move for Ghana to do. They need to keep doing that. Exactly. My question is, will this harm Ghana in the long run? Because it seems like they're making a powerful enemy, that is America.
So Ghana government has rejected dollar as the form of payment for government projects and also contracts. From now on, you are not supposed to price using dollars and also payment using dollars. From now on, all the pricing will be done using Ghana Cedi, and also all the government project will be paid using Ghana Cedi. All the companies and also institutions, they are warned from pricing their things using dollars. They are supposed to do this using Ghana Cedi. But if they want to sell, if they want to do anything, any transactions using dollar, they are supposed to get permission from the Ghana Bank. Saying that the reason being is because inflation has gone down and it has been stable for the last 6 months, and also Ghana Cedi has appreciated by 42.6% against the dollar, and also by 30.3% against the British pound, and also 25.6% against the euro. They're saying that Ghana Cedi is doing so well, and this is the best performance they have seen in the last 60 years.
Have you noticed the dollar is dropping and the cedi is appreciating the dollar these days? Have you noticed within a month ago, dollar swapped it like 2-3 times? This is why. You see, in March 2025, Ghana set up the gold board. I see, Sami Genfi. Now, the sole purpose of the gold board, Ghana yankasa ye gold, small scale miners, golda, or mutino Ghana hano, yankasa ye betoyade. Now say if a third party or a bigger company wants to purchase it, now non out Ghana ho. This is it. This is the sole goal of the gold board. Now, through that, the board back we are going to be able to fix and stabilize our economy and our currency with that. So if you've seen that the dollar is dropping and the cedi is appreciating, that is because oil for gold, uncle for be the buy. NDC has come to make it work. And because of that, Ghana is purchasing oil with gold instead of a dollar. Because first, now if we want to purchase oil, I would have to go with dollar to purchase it. And because of that, we would have to exchange dollars before we'd be able to purchase it. Then now, it is not like that anymore. And now what's happening is we are purchasing oil with gold instead. The dollar at the global market. And that is why the dollar is dropping. And the cedi is rising. Now another reason is because of the gold board, Bank of Ghana is stacking more gold in its reserves because we are getting more to purchase. It is giving confidence into investors. Investing in this country, and then business people are coming to invest. And that is another reason why the dollar is dropping and the cedi is appreciating. That's exactly what's happening. And from my research and my experience as a trader, I can tell you point blank say, by June or by the end of June, the dollar should hit 9 cedis, 70 pesos. Save this video for later, come back again, and then tell me if I lied about this. By June or the end of June, the dollar should hit 9 cedis, 70 pesos. So, and these are buying the and then the assistance that Gold Board is going to put up into this economy. All of these things that I'm telling you right now, what's that is? Just as they said it, they are doing it. If you don't believe it, just watch out and see how it's going to turn out. Okamia, Nkebesa, and Susubox. Have a nice day.
The Ghanaian cedi, which depreciated by 19.2% in 2024, has shown signs of recovery, appreciating by 3.9% against the US dollar by the end of April 2025. This has been supported by stronger forex inflows, improved trade balances, and growing investor confidence. Our gross international reserves have improved further from $8.98 billion in December 2024 to $10.6 billion by April 2025. This is equivalent to almost 5 months of import cover. This reflects enhanced export earnings, particularly from gold and non-traditional exports, as well as timely disbursements from our multilateral partners. Fiscal consolidation is underway. We reduced the fiscal deficits on commitment basis from 7.5% of GDP in 2024 to 6.4% in the first half of 2025. And we're on track to meet our 2025 target end year of 3.1% through expenditure rationalization, improved domestic revenue mobilization, and strong anti-corruption measures. These figures, though early in the year, are clear signs of a disciplined and inclusive economic recovery.
The means of transacting business in Ghana. This trend, if not checked, will erode the confidence in our currency, drive inflation, and result in the loss of value in the symbol of our sovereignty.
Let me be clear, colleagues. The more value we keep within Ghana, the stronger the cedi becomes.
Across the world, the US dollar is slowly losing its grip. Countries like China, Russia, and Brazil, members of the BRICS group, are ditching the dollar and using their own currency to trade among themselves. Ghana is not part of the BRICS, but is now making a bold move of its own. No more government contracts in dollars, only the Ghana cedi. On July 24th, during the 2025 mid-year budget review, Finance Minister Dr. Cassel Atoforsen announced a new directive from President Pres.Mahama.
His Excellency, President Pres.Mahama has directed that beginning today, 24th of July 2025, no contract awarded by government, irrespective of source of fund, should be denominated in foreign currency.
This means the era of dollar-dominated government projects is over. So why now? Because the Ghana cedi is performing strongly. Inflation is coming down. The exchange rate is more stable. Investor confidence is also rising. Even the finance minister said the cedi's recent performance is helping the economy recover.
Mr. Speaker, inflation has reduced significantly from 23.8% at the end of December 2024 to 13.7% at the end of June 2025. Mr. Speaker, it's important to note that this is the lowest since December 2021 and marks 6 months of continuous decline. Interest rates are declining with a drastic drop in Treasury bill rates. The 91-day Treasury bill rate has reduced from 27.73 in December 2024 to 14.73 in June 2025, a decline of over 1,300 basis points. Mr. Speaker, the 182-day T-bill rate has reduced from 28.43% in December 2024 to 15.34% in June 2025. Mr. Speaker, the 364-day T-bill rate has also reduced from 29.95% in December 2025 to 15.76% in June 2025, marking a decline of over 1,400 basis points. Gross international reserves have significantly improved, Mr. Speaker. The Bank of Ghana accumulated $11.12 billion, covering 4.8 months of import at the end of June 2025. And this compares to $8.98 billion, covering a 4 month of import as at end December 2024. Mr. Speaker, the Ghana cedi has demonstrated exceptional resilience and strength in recent months. At the end of June 2025, the Ghana cedi appreciated by 42.6% against the US dollar, 30.3% against the British pound, and 25.6% against the euro. This is a significant reversal compared to the same period in 2024 when the cedi depreciated by 18.6%, 17.9%, and 16.0% respectively. Mr. Speaker, so far we have almost reversed all the cedi depreciations in the year 2022, 2023, and 2024. Mr. Speaker, it is important for us to note that it is the first time that this level of appreciation has been recorded in the 60 years history of the Ghana cedi.
This is a very huge win for Ghana because the Ghanaian government are making sure that their local currency is being spent here in Ghana. Instead of coming to Ghana and paying house rent with the dollar or paying for properties with dollars, you have to convert those dollars to cedis and buy your properties or rent your houses. Because unlike before, people that are coming from diaspora, whenever they want to rent an apartment, they rent in dollar. Whenever they want to get a landed property or properties that are already being built, they'll buy everything in dollar. So right now, Pres.Mahama is saying no to dollar, no more spending of dollar in Ghana. If you cannot purchase your items in cedis, no need of you coming to Ghana to purchase any item. Every transaction that is being made here in Ghana is going to be cedis. No more dollar, no more conversion of dollar when you come to Ghana, no conversion rates. If you're coming, you convert your dollar to cedis and you buy your property. That is a big win. That is an economy, a country that wants to grow. If a country wants to grow, what's the first tackle is their currency. If the dollar is higher than their local currency, it means there is a problem. So Pres.Mahama have seen the need that there is no point whereby in Ghana here, the dollar will be higher than the cedis. And right now, Donald Trump, wherever he is right now, I hope and I know he would be rolling on his bed because there is no longer buying of dollar or purchasing items with dollar in Ghana. It is strictly cedis, and that is a big win. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.